think to see which one's better. 'Cause I
Okay, it's not in stir dog.
think dogs are better.
Dogs are awesome. I think dogs are better too.
Yeah, they're so cute.
And outside of this room, we have a bunch of different dogs waiting for us. So whoever gets the seeker will become the cat, and we'll have to look for us. Ready?
All right, let's go.
I'm gonna press it. Boom. And it looks like it's you, Shady. Now, which one are you?
Bro.
Shady's the pug.
Oh, wait, he was that one. When he comes back as a cat, he's gonna start searching for all of us. So let's grab our stuff.
All right, we gotta hide in a good spot, guys.
Yeah. Hey, yo. Look at this dog. Is that Walter?
I think so. He's cute.
I'm gonna hope that Shady didn't memorize which dogs we were.
Yeah, we gotta hide. Cash, what dog breed are you?
I'm this one that's jumping.
I'm the white puppy. I'm this one. I'm like a husky.
Oh. Okay, well, let's see. Where do we want to hide at?
I don't see a lot of my dogs.
Neither do I. I don't think I've found one of them.
Should I be worried? I feel like upstairs is a good method.
Oh, wait, this dog looks like me. Yo, what's up, dude?
Oh, wait, this dog looks like me too. Yo, I found my brother.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go over here, maybe? I don't know.
Yeah, this is gonna be extremely hard for Shady.
Yeah, but he also does have 3 hider finders, remember?
Yo, Cash, where are you, dude?
I'm not gonna say it out loud. I don't want you to give it away to Shady.
Do you know where I am?
Actually, no, I don't. Wait, are you right in front of me?
Yeah. Oh, no.
Oh, we're both cooked.
Nah, okay, I'm in the shower. I'm chilling.
Oh, nah. Okay, well, I'll stand right here then. This is my official spot. Oh, and the seeker got released.
Ooh.
Shady, are you a kitten?
I am. You're going to die.
No, I am not.
Okay, he's far away from us.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean that we're gonna win. He has 10 minutes for this entire round.
Where are you? I remember what dogs you guys are, by the way.
Oh, really?
No, you don't. What are you talking about?
Yes, I do.
Well, then which dogs are we?
Since I'm a cat now, I hate all of these annoying barks.
You might have to just kill one of those dogs. Who knows?
Yeah, I will.
Hey, yo! Yo, get away from me. Get away from me. Nah.
Nah, I know this isn't you.
Okay, true that. It's not me.
Oh, boy.
I'm scratching at all of these dogs.
You gotta chill, dude. Oh my goodness, I'm out of here.
Is there someone hiding in the shower?
Yeah, you gotta chill. No, there isn't.
I'm out of here. Yo, Nico, did you stay in there?
What do you mean? Stay where?
Nothing. Yo, Shady, you might have been near me, but I ran away.
I don't know about that, dude. Where are you at? Who's over here?
I'm nowhere, bro. Also, there's a dog sniffing my butt. Hey, yo.
Cash, where are you, bro?
I don't know. I'm behind some sort of bed.
I ran away. Oh, no.
Don't get near me. He's just gonna chase you down and then kill me instead. Uh-oh.
Okay, got it.
Anyone in here? Hello?
You're very far away from us.
Hello, mate? Hello?
We don't know who you're next to, Shady. You're in another room.
I'm swinging my sword. I'm going to kill all of the dogs.
Yo, you can't do that. That's cheating.
Cash, did I just see you?
I'm running right now.
Me too.
Oh, look.
Where'd you guys go? Oh, what's good?
I'm right here.
Okay, you know what?
Wait, you can't copy my position.
Nah, I'm doing it. I'm copying your position.
Nah, get out of here.
Die, 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 die.
Oh, gosh.
Now get out of here, Nico. Oh, God, Shady's coming.
You better not push me off. Okay, just stand still. Act normal.
Are you guys goofing around in here?
No,
No.
Nico's just, like, playing with stuff. I don't know what he's doing.
What are you gonna play with stuff? I'm just a normal doggy.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Yo, Nico, good luck, bro. I'm out of here. Oh, how did he not see me? Oh, my God.
Uh-oh.
I just ran so far away.
Oh my god. Oh, what have I done?
What happened?
Oh, what have I done?
Are you okay?
I'm a murderer.
He murdered a puppy.
Hey, yo.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
How'd you find me?
Let's go.
Goodness. You just got lucky with a random hit.
One dog's down. 2 more dogs to go, buddy boy.
Why are you laughing?
Cash, where are you?
Nowhere.
I think I know where you are.
No, you don't.
Bro.
I have to keep running away because you get near me all the time.
Dude, there's corpses everywhere. I'm seeing ghosts.
Wait, what? Did you kill them all upstairs?
Ah!
Hey, yo. I gotta go check that out. I don't want to be seen, though.
So you're downstairs.
No, of course not. I'm not downstairs.
So you're hiding in this room, aren't you?
No, I actually was upstairs the whole time.
Oh yeah? You aren't this dog right here?
Oh my goodness. Don't get Oh my goodness. Are you still there?
What are you even talking about?
Dude, Shady's gonna kill you.
Nah, I'm just chilling, bro.
Did you see the dogs in the hallway? Wait, what's going on here?
Yeah, but it wasn't me, so I'm chilling.
Yo, look at this. Oh.
Hey, what's up? Whoa! Ooh, there's a big pile of them dying.
Oh my goodness. Why is there a pile of dogs there?
This Shady guy's crazy, bro.
Are you guys back in the bathroom?
Dude, if he randomly swings at me, I'm so dead. Oh god. Oh god. Wait, you have a bow? I hear you shooting arrows over there.
Yeah, I'm shooting into this pile of dogs.
Oh my goodness. I'm staying next to my twin.
The dogs.
Hey, what's up, twin?
Nah, you twinning him.
You're with your twin?
Wait, you heard that?
Do not reveal yourself, Cash. Do not reveal yourself.
I will not reveal myself. Hey, yo, my twin needs to chill for real.
Stop sniffing each other's butts.
Hey, it's just what we do, okay? Cats will never understand.
Yeah, whatever. Is there someone up here?
Oh, Nico, I told you that was a bad spot.
Nah. Nah, I'm good. Oh.
Nah, you are not good.
No, Cash, you gotta win this for me, bro. Win this for the dogs.
Bro, I don't know if I can.
There's a bloody dog running around the house, man.
If you're a dog, you'll win it for me.
Dude, I'm gonna end up like this dog next to me. Oh, jeez. He got cooked. Bro got sent to the lobby.
Where are you, Cash?
Nowhere. Yo, I gotta use my hider buff if he gets near me. Shady, I'm downstairs, not upstairs. Why do you keep going upstairs?
I don't know if I believe you.
You should believe me.
No, you're definitely upstairs. I know you're lying.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, yeah?
I have no idea what you're talking about. I have no idea what you're talking about.
Oh, yeah? You're definitely upstairs.
Oh my goodness. No. Are you just punching every dog?
Yes, I'm gonna kill them all.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Yo, the time needs to go down faster. Please.
You will not survive this. I will find you. You will die.
Are you sure? I still have my hider buff.
Yeah, and I still have 3 hider finders. I haven't used a single one.
Wait, you haven't used one yet?
Jeez, I'm just playing.
I might be cooked then.
I'm just toying around with you, pal.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I am serious.
Well, it doesn't matter. There's still a lot of dogs that I could totally beat.
That's not true.
It's very true.
I know which dog you are.
Which one?
You're brown.
Wait, what? No, I'm not. Actually, pink.
Oh, you thought you could get away with that easily?
Okay, fine. Yes, maybe I'm brown, but you don't know if it's dark brown or light brown.
I know exactly which brown it is.
Oh,
Uh,
oh my goodness.
yeah.
How did he not kill me right there?
Who wants to die today?
Yo, you can't just kill every dog and get away with it. Someone needs to arrest this guy.
Yes, I can.
Oh my gosh.
Only a few dogs are alive.
Wait, I have an idea. I'm just gonna hide in this pile. Oh god. I don't know if this is smart.
Where are you hiding, little Cashy Ford?
This is very gruesome and nobody appreciates it. No one likes someone who kills dogs. Uh-oh.
I'm out of here!
Ah!
You can't run from me.
No, 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 no. You don't know where I went.
I lost you. Where'd you go?
I had to use the hider buff. I had to.
You know I saw you, but I know exactly where you went.
You did? Well, I'm in a new spot, and I don't know if it's gonna save me until the end of time.
Only a fool like you would hide somewhere so obvious.
Oh no. Oh god.
I know you're in here. I can smell you.
What are you talking about? I think you're smelling your own breath.
I can smell you in your little dog skitters.
I did not poop.
Your dog dingleberries are leading me to the corner where the couch is.
No, I'm not at the corner of the couch. I'm not. Get me out of here. Yo, this guy's crazy. No, I don't like cats anymore.
You can't run from me. You can't run.
I don't like. Are you serious? I gotta get my revenge. Okay, well now I'm a new dog, and this time I think I can camouflage a little better. Hey, yo, get off of me. Who is that?
Well, everybody want to be the seeker right now.
All right, boom. And it looks like it's you, Zoe. Which one are you? Oh.
It looks like it's me. Good luck, guys.
Oh, wait, she was the small one. Okay, well,
One thing is a little stupid. Why does it Cash being dead by a lot of dogs?
she's gonna come back as a cat.
Look at what dog I am, bro.
Hey, yo, put me down. Who's the big one?
It's me, bro. I'm the big pug.
Shady's the pug.
Oh, nah.
Why did I get this one? Why are you looking at me like that?
Yo, chill. We need those dogs so we can camouflage with them.
Okay, we gotta hide.
Yeah, we gotta find a good spot around here. I see a lot of dogs here that kind of look like the same color as me. I think I'm good.
Why is he scraping his butt on the floor?
You know, I think I'm good too. I found my brother.
Oh, you did? Oh, yeah, 2 Walters. Look, my brother's here, too.
I'm not gonna lie, Shady, you might be cooked.
Yeah, I was gonna say the same thing. There's, like, no pugs around here.
Hey, don't say that.
Actually, wait, there's a few. I think I see where you're going. Oh, that's very smart, Shady.
Can you help me out?
Yeah, I'll close that. You know, there's also a ladder here. You could have done that.
A what? Oh, I didn't see that.
Wait a second. I wonder if I could do this. Yeah, can I fit in the lectern? Oh, look at this.
Too bad, bro.
Hey, hey, are you cereal, bro?
Yes, I'm cereal.
All right, fine. I'll just stay over here.
Hey guys,
Wait, which one's Nico?
I'm Walter, remember?
Nah, you guys can't hide near me.
Bro, think he part of the gang.
What do you mean? Yes, I am part of the gang, bro. I've been. Ow, ow.
Yo, stop killing each other.
Stop. That hurts.
Shady's like the bully dog. If I was in school, I'd be scared of him.
Yeah, what y'all looking at?
Stop killing them. We need those guys.
I like this little black dog. It's cute.
Yeah, it is kind of cute, actually.
All right, boom. We're good.
Shady, I feel like your dog acting skills are not that good. What are you doing? Ew.
Yo, Cash, check me out, bro. I'm blended in with the wall.
Alright, here I come.
Zoe just got released.
My dog acting skills are amazing, bro. Watch me lock in.
Okay, if Zoe kills you instantly, I'm gonna laugh.
There, where are you dogs?
We are nowhere, Zoe. We don't like cats, so please stay away from us.
Yeah, no, we're cat haters right now.
I'm gonna get you.
No, you will not. Wait a second, is this you, Shady?
What?
Where's Shady?
I see you.
Shady, which pug are you, bro?
Bro, why'd you have to say that out loud? Now she knows.
Oh, my fault.
Nah, Nico.
You're a pug?
No, he's not a pug, actually.
Shady's a cute little pug.
He's a little pink little dog.
I'm gonna find you. Nah, you guys are probably in here.
What? Where?
There's a pug in here.
Shady, I'm sniffing your butt.
No, you're not. I'm not even near you.
Oh, wait, I'm just sniffing some random dog? No, nah.
Oh my gosh, there's a bloodied golden retriever on the ground.
Zoe, you killed him?
No.
Well, as long as you don't kill us, it's fine.
I'm gonna get you. Just you wait. I know what dog you are.
Oh, I got the new strat.
What's the strat, Nico?
You're a corgi.
I'm not a corgi.
I'm in a classroom. I don't know if you can find me. Good luck.
Wait, a classroom?
Oh, so you're in a classroom.
Oh, gosh. You can hear me too?
I'm looking around. Dog.
I wonder if I can hide over here. Zoe, I don't think you killed any of us.
No, just you wait. I got this.
Where's Nico the English Bull Terrier at?
Wait, it's not my dog. It is Walter.
Nah, you got the scientific term for it.
Nico's hiding somewhere.
Zoe, Nico is an English Bull Terrier.
Hey, nah.
Cash is a corgi just hanging out near the stairwell.
Shady's a big pug.
Yeah, Shady's the pug.
Oh!
Oh, I'm out of here.
I think I saw Walter!
Ah, she found the... Okay. Ugh.
Shady, why are you doing that? Now it's gonna be harder for us.
Bro called me out. That's crazy.
Wait, Shady, is this you? Are you following me?
Yo, Cash is a corgi in the classroom in the far back.
Stop it!
Oh, wait. You mean over here?
Run! Run, Ricky, run!
You run so slowly.
Bro, just because I have chubby fluffy lard hanging off of me doesn't mean I'm any different than you.
Shady's a pug under the stairwell.
Where?
Cash is a corgi running around the hallway. He just ran into the kitchen.
Kitchen? Okay, I forgot where the kitchen is.
No. Okay, Shady, truths. You are so slow.
Okay, Zoe, keep going. There's a corgi right around the corner. You have to kill him.
Right around the corner? Okay, where?
You're the one that's gonna die first. I'm so out of here, bruh. I'm way faster. I can outrun Zoe.
Nah, Shady lied to me.
The thing is you think faster is on your side, but it's not. It actually makes you stick out like a little sore thumb.
No, being slower makes you stick out.
Like a dangleberry.
Okay, so if we're being chased by Zoe, you're definitely the one dying first.
Not really.
Yes, really.
It's because I will never. Not really.
Yes, really.
It's because I will never get into a position where I am being chased.
Wait, I might have a goated spot. I think I got a goated spot. Can't really see though. Oh no, this is not a good spot.
Where are you?
Nowhere near you, that's for sure.
You guys are in the classrooms, aren't you?
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Ah! Get over here! Where'd he go?
I'm out of here.
Oh, you're so fast!
I left. Oh my goodness. I had to use my hider buff.
That was not you.
I think I lost her.
Man, how did I lose him?
Oh, thank goodness.
It's gotta be over here. Over here?
Dude, that was a close one. You should have seen that, Shady. Wait, is this you?
Nah, this ain't me. This ain't me.
I forgot what dog Shady was.
Oh, he's the pug. Don't worry, I got you.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, which one is Shady?
Cash is just a little corgi just vibing out outside of the cafeteria by a plant.
You mean right here?
How do you know that, Shady?
I don't know.
Wait, where'd he go? You're right here.
Ah! Get me out of here! Yo, go for the pugs. Don't go for the corgis. The pugs are meaner.
How are you so quick? You just disappear.
I'm a fast corgi.
Oh, wait, I saw you for a second.
I don't know how Cash didn't see me, bro.
Wait, where were you?
I was watching you from a little skibbity area.
What? Let me see where you were at. Wait, that's you, isn't it? No, that's not you. Which skibbity area are you in?
Uh-oh, I still see you. You're running into a classroom right now. Oh, you need to leave.
Hey, stop saying that out loud. Where are you?
Don't go that way.
Oh, jeez. Oh, my goodness.
Where are you?
I don't know, but Shady's a pug and he's somewhere watching me somehow. Unless he switched.
Somewhere watching.
Did you switch dog breeds, Shady?
You can do that?
I did morph. I'm just kidding.
Oh, well, it's gotta be that one.
Bathroom!
Oh! He was in the bathroom? So that's how he saw me.
I found him. Now I just gotta find Cash.
I don't like the fact that you know what dog breed I am and that I don't have a hider buff anymore.
Wait, how do I use my... where are you?
Nowhere. I think this is a good spot, actually. I could stay here for the rest of the game.
Nah, you're somewhere different.
Well, I'm alone now. Why am I always the last one standing?
I don't know, but I think you're in here.
Oh, yeah, totally in there. Dogs, I need you to camouflage me, okay? Thank you, guys. Yeah, just stand right there.
Where are you?
Nowhere.
This way?
I'm hidden amongst the dogs, like Among Us. Why are you gasping?
I see a corgi.
Oh, man.
Got you.
I can't believe I lost this. Okay, are you guys ready for the final round?
Oh, yeah, we are. I think Cash will win this.
Why aren't you guys dogs?
We're not revealing it.
You're not allowed to see our dogs.
Wait, you're not revealing it yet? Oh, that's smart.
Exactly.
So whenever the secret gets chosen, it's me. I can't see what you guys are gonna be this round.
Exactly.
Yeah, good luck.
All right, well, now I'm the cat, but I think I could do this easy. All I gotta do is just kill every single hider that I see. I don't want to say that I'm killing dogs because that's messed up. I love dogs. Okay, I should be released now. Yes! And now it's time for me to search for everyone.
Oh, gosh, no way.
I got my seeker stick, my seeker bow, and now it's time to start looking. Now, let's see. This is gonna be a little hard, especially because I don't know which dog breed breed you guys are.
Yeah, you're not finding me.
You're not finding me either.
I'm sus of this pug. Oh, sorry, pug. Okay, maybe this one. Is this Zoe? No, that's not Zoe. Oh, jeez.
You're never finding me, dude.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure.
I'm killing every single dog up here. So if you are in front of me, then you're getting hit. I'm sorry.
Well, I'm not. That's the thing.
Okay, well, it's not Walter. It's not that one. Not the Corgi. Okay, well, fine. You guys are probably somewhere over there then. I'm gonna go on the second floor now. Wait, there's actually a lot of dogs. This is bad. I'm gonna need to start just spamming the seeker stick on all of you guys.
Oh, no, wait, what?
Yeah, that's the strategy, right?
Uh-oh.
I need to clear out every single suspect from here. Hey, what's going on? Why is this one moving away from me? Never mind, that's not one of you guys. Okay, well, this is actually kind of hard. Now I can see why it took you guys a while. Why are these dogs spinning?
Yeah, I told you, bro.
Oh, jeez. Okay, well, hold on. Let me just clear out this room, and if I don't kill any of you guys, then I'm going to the next one. Okay, it's none of these. I'm sus of all of you guys. I could be wasting my time by trying to kill every single dog, but I don't think I am.
Yeah, you're wasting your time.
It might be a waste of time in the beginning, but at least at the end of the round, I'm not going to have many dogs to pick from. Wait, what did I just hear?
Oops.
What in the world? Was that this pug right here?
Oh, no.
Was that you? Wait, that wasn't.
You thought?
That was shady. It was 100% shady.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, jeez. Okay, well, I just spent all my time killing a bunch of hiders, and it wasn't any of you guys. Come on, it's gotta be one of you. Ah! Okay, it doesn't matter. The end of this round, I'm playing the end game right now. Wait, the bottom floor has got a lot of you guys.
No.
Maybe the spamming strategy isn't good. I might have to look for certain movements from you guys, like footsteps.
Yeah, good luck finding me, bro.
You can't see our footsteps. Definitely not.
Oh, of course I can. I just gotta search around. If you guys sprint, then I can see the footsteps.
No, no.
I saw it in the last rounds. I know you're just trying to trick me.
Ain't gonna happen.
Wait, is it this one? Why are you trying to run out of here? Why are you trying to run? Oh, jeez. Okay, this is a lot harder than I thought. Yo, Shady, you want to tell me what breed Nico is?
I don't even know what breed Shady is, bro.
Yeah, I haven't seen them all game. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know.
I'll give you guys a dog treat.
A dog treat?
Yeah,
Guys, don't.
That sounds yummy.
It's always a chihuahua.
a chihuahua.
Hey, yeah.
Oh, really? So this one. Wait, chihuahuas are the small ones.
And Nico is a poodle.
Okay, what?
Oh, a poodle. Okay, Zoe's a chihuahua.
Can I get 2 dog treats? 2 dog treats, please? Please, 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 please.
Yeah, sure. Just come over to me and I'll give it to you.
Oh, I'm not believing that junk.
You just got scammed.
Well, at least I know now that Zoe's a chihuahua and Nico's a poodle.
Oh, man.
It doesn't matter. You're never gonna find them.
Are you sure about that?
I know where they're located, and you're never finding them.
You're never finding me, buddy. Never.
Well, let's see. Walter, wait a second. Who's in here? Why is there a tunnel back here? And who's this? Wait, there's secret tunnels around the map and I found a poodle!
No, 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 no! Ow! No!
I got Nico!
Are you serious?
Oh my goodness. Well, now that Nico's down, this is gonna be a lot easier. Now I gotta look for more chihuahuas. Hey Zoe, you can tell me what breed Shady is since he revealed yours.
I actually don't know what breed he is.
Oh jeez.
I didn't get to see him.
Well fine, I'm gonna just hunt you down then. Where's the chihuahuas around here, huh?
Dude, you're not finding Zoe, bro.
Zoe is locked in this round.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, you have a better chance of finding me than Zoe.
Oh jeez. Okay, I need to clear all these dogs from the middle. I'm sorry guys. I need to kill everything that I see. Oh, there's a lot of dogs over there. Hold on. Okay, it's definitely up here. This is the only spot I haven't gone to. Chihuahua? Boom. No, wait a second. Which floor are you guys on?
One of them.
1 of 3.
Okay, that does not help.
The top or the bottom.
I have a feeling you guys are at the top.
What? No.
No, never.
Well, Zoe said the top or the bottom.
Definitely not, dude. No, definitely not.
Is this you looking at me?
No,
Are one of you guys looking at me up here?
No, no, Nah, 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 boo boo.
Hey. Okay, you have got to be. Ah! Nope, not that one.
Nah, 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 boo boo. You can't catch me.
Are you guys in the spawn room, perhaps?
You can think that, but I'm not.
Wait a second.
Definitely not. Never in the spawn room.
Who's in here? What is this? Secret compartment, huh? Okay, well, I guess nobody's in this room. Okay, well, I've cleared out, like, almost every dog, so...
Clearly, you're missing 2 very important dogs.
Yeah, but I know there's not that many options left. Okay, now I just need to clear out this room. Hey, where'd you come from? Oh, never mind.
This is kind of scary now.
Why, am I getting close to you, Zoe?
No.
Are you sure about that?
Maybe a little bit.
Well, all the dogs in this room are gone.
Yeah, all the dogs.
Wait a second. Where are you at?
Oh, nah.
I am right under your nose.
Am I blind? Wait a second. Who's in the TV? Oh my goodness. That was actually such a good spot.
That spot was goated.
But how did you know about it, Shady? You must have been nearby.
Well, I saw it at the beginning of the game, and then I ran away.
Oh, okay, Skibbity. That was a good spot, but now I still got one left.
It ain't gonna matter, though. You don't got that much time left. I'm finna win. Yeah.
It doesn't matter. I've cleared out most of the dogs around here, so I know if I see one moving, it's probably you.
Nah, 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 son.
Nah, fam, I'm going down.
Nah, fam. Nah, fam.
Yo, any dog that's walking. I'm sorry, but you're out of here. Even that one back there. Wait a second. Hey, where was that firework from?
Over here.
Over here?
Over here, bro.
Yo, where am I hearing that from? Is that below me? Wait, is it over here?
Over here, you little toilet fart.
Are you in this room?
You little toilet fart.
You're in this room. I know it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, 100%. I just gotta kill you before time goes out.
You better hurry, dude. You're running out of time.
I know I am. Oh, jeez. I don't know. Maybe I'll hit him randomly. Are you in this room?
Dude, I don't even know if you're near me yet.
Oh, jeez. If I'm in the wrong room, I'm definitely cooked then. Come on, please. Please, you gotta be one of them.
Why don't you just use the hider finder, bro?
I don't have one.
You don't?
No. I'm so cooked.
Yo, look in the tunnel behind the blocks over here.
Hey, this tunnel? Ah! Don't you run away. Wait, where did you actually go? Am I blind? No!
I'm right here, bro. I'm down here looking up at you.
Wait, what?
Over here.
I don't know where over here means.
I'm looking straight up.
Oh, okay, you could have jumped. Well, that was actually kind of hard. I almost got you at the end, though.
That was a close one.
I want to be a dog again. If you want to watch more videos from us, click on the screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe! Bye, guys. Bye.
Goodbye.